Forget everything you think you know about modern Formula One. Because in 2026, Formula One doesn't just evolve, it resets. New cars. New engines. New aerodynamics. A completely new way of racing, driving, attacking, and defending. This isn't another regulation tweak. This is the biggest technical overhaul in more than a decade. And today, I want to explain what really changes, why these rules exist, and how they will completely transform racing on track. This is everything you need to understand about F1 2026. The key idea behind the 2026 regulations is efficiency. Not just speed. Not just downforce. But how efficiently a Formula One car uses energy. Before designing the cars, the FIA designed the power unit first. Only after that did they reshape everything else around it. That decision explains every major change we're about to see. Let's start with the basics. The 2026 car will be 30 kilograms lighter, shorter, and narrower. This alone is huge. For years, drivers complained that modern F1 cars felt too big, too heavy, and too rigid in slow corners. The new regulations directly address that. Less mass means quicker direction changes, sharper braking, more responsive acceleration. And most importantly, more driver involvement. These cars won't feel like they're on rails anymore, especially in slow and medium-speed corners. One of the biggest visual changes is underneath the car. The deep ground effect tunnels are gone. Instead, 2026 cars use flatter floors, simplified geometry, less aggressive underbody aerodynamics. The result? Around 30% less downforce at the start of the regulation cycle. That means less grip, higher ride heights, more movement, more mistakes. And that's exactly what the FIA wants. Cars that are harder to drive. Cars that reward skill. DRS, as we know it, is gone. In its place comes active aerodynamics. Both the front and rear wings can now change their configuration during the lap. In corners, wings closed and maximum grip. On designated straights, wings open, reduced drag, higher top speed. Every driver can use it. Every lap. This system exists for one main reason: energy and efficiency. With less drag, cars can complete a full lap without running out of electrical energy. But it also changes racing. Longer braking zones. New overtaking points. Different defensive strategies. This is not DRS 2.0, it's a completely different concept. Under the bodywork, the change is even bigger. The 2026 power unit keeps the 1.6-liter V6 turbo, but everything else changes. Power is now split almost 50-50ths, half from the combustion engine, half from the electric system. The electric motor triples its output. The battery capacity nearly triples as well. At the same time, fuel flow is reduced, combustion power is limited, materials are more restricted. And one component disappears completely. The MGUH is gone. Too complex, too expensive, and not road relevant. Its removal simplifies the engine, reduces costs, and forces teams to rethink how they manage turbo lag using electrical power instead. In 2026, racing is no longer just about grip and speed. It's about energy strategy. Drivers will actively manage boost modes, overtake mode, recharge strategies. Overtake mode replaces DRS, one detection point, extra electrical energy, usable anywhere on the lap. Boost can be used for attack or defense, but only if the battery has enough charge. This turns drivers into real-time strategists. Every lap becomes a calculation. Use energy now, or save it for later. Safety standards increase once again. Stronger survival cells, improved side intrusion protection, reinforced roll hoop, new two-stage front crash structure. And for the first time ever, Formula One runs on 100% sustainable fuel. Whether biofuel or synthetic e-fuel, every drop is independently certified. This isn't marketing. It's a real technological shift. So what does all of this mean? Same power, less grip, more driver skill, more variables. More unpredictability. The soul of Formula One stays the same, but the challenge becomes harder. And that's exactly what makes 2026 so exciting. This isn't just a new chapter. It's a new rulebook. And if you enjoyed this kind of deep analysis, make sure to subscribe, like and write a comment. See you in the next one.